Come with me, and you'll be in a world of pure breakables. We're at Grandma's for Easter, and she has two gorgeous tables for us today.
The 3B Kids of Texas!
Spring has sprung, and no detail has been overlooked.
If you're new to our channel, this is Grandma's house. If you've seen our channel before, welcome back.
The first table we are going to show you is the dining room. Our great-grandparents are represented as we are using their formal china and stemware. We used 2 cabbage leaf placemats,
A silver charger,
a crystal charger on top of that, great-grandmother's Noritake Trudy china.
We added a peep for color.
And this gorgeous crystal Easter egg. You can put a dessert or other surprises in it. Here's great-grandmother's Fostoria stemware. As we make our way to the second table, let's check out some of our grandmother's home accents. You'll see these beautiful and breakable plates in just a moment.
Let's go to the great outdoors.
Could this table be more inviting?
with these placemats that look like glass.
Then a Mackenzie Child's charger and a bunny hand towel.
Then we added those new plates we showed you.
You're not supposed to say new. Grandpa doesn't know that they're new.
I thought we inherited from a lady named Lisa.
That said Visa.
Oopsie.